Happy Craftoween, everybody! I had so much fun dressing up my Gothic girls in little Halloween costumes that I made them. And I put my little owl in a bird cage that I found. This was a lot of fun, and I really want to thank Erica from Little Crafty Kitty for putting together these challenges for us to do. Thank you, Erica. I love you. I want to start my video with a little DIY project. These cute little ghosts are made, well, pretty easily out of popsicle sticks and just white fabric and any accessories you choose. However, I didn't make the original one. It came in a goodie bag from Rolling Hills Ministries, my favorite thrift store. But what I did do was remake it. I gave him bigger eyes and I cut up his white fabric to kind of give him more of a jagged edge, and I added that tool to make him a little bit more ethereal. So these are fun little projects if you're looking for something to do with kids. Sometimes I have no idea what I'm doing or how I get started, but somehow I managed to make a bunch of really kind of cute costumes for my little girls. I turned Nettie into a spider, and I just love her glass eyes that she's wearing on her headband. And I had that white creepy cloth that I turned into a ghost costume for Theodora. However, she was a little bit upset because she really wanted to be the kitty. But I thought little Josie could wear it a little bit better. You know, being that she's a baby, she didn't need a big old ghost costume after all. But being that she's a baby, well, she put up a little bit of fight wearing that extra headgear and long tail, so it didn't make it to all the pictures. Because I really wanted to take a picture of Adelaide and Josie together that looked really cool and old, and the caterers just weren't working. Emma was completely happy being the witch, and I put a little cape on her, like the one I wore when I was a little girl. Emma's so good-natured, she would have worn anything I gave her. Isn't she precious? And that hat is kind of creepy and wonderful. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you like the video, please hit that like button. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing if you haven't. And hey, you might want to hit that notification button because I do go live on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!